So I got my tool set back out of my car that was, well, it's still at the shop, but I've decided to finish this up. Got my correct screwdriver for the job now. I'm also using the wide angle lens that I picked up off eBay not too long ago for the first time. So this is the last, hopefully, video of me taking apart this PS2. Hopefully everything goes well and I don't strip anything. And this screwdriver lasts through every single screw on here. Everything seems to be coming out perfectly. I tested it to make sure. Took that one out, so that one's already out. And this one I loosened. So it's been interesting. I don't know if I've learned anything other than that there's a lot of crap in here. Take this one out as well. If any of you have done this, I mean, I've modded a PlayStation before and like changed the case and a few other things, and I had a modded Xbox, the original one that I changed the case and the hard drive, all that, but I didn't have a video camera at the time, and I don't even think I would have thought to do that. So it was awesome though. You know, I'll play games not normally available in America. If they're not available in America, you'd have to order them from overseas, but you'd still be able to play them. So of course, the Xbox gave you all the old arcade games, Nintendo games, and Sega games. That's still in there. Okay, well, close enough. So, finally, you can see what's under here. That's not wanting to come off, probably because that screw's still in there. No, this isn't good. Just twist that around. Twist it enough, it'll come off. Anyway. All that waiting. Just for that, huh? Exciting times we live in. Alright, well, the rest of the video I'm probably just going to edit together some close-up looks at this with my new lenses. So that way everyone can take a look at this board from a different perspective. There we go. Told you. Twist it enough, it'll come off. Not particularly thick. That's what she said. Or maybe she didn't, I don't know. I don't even think I was there. Not if she was saying that. This one in here. Whatever. The screw head, the first part is this stripped. There we go. That's the final step. Now for a closer look. Just me messing around with the lenses I got. It's obviously supposed to be the macro lens. I'm holding it by hand, so it's probably a little too shaky. It might be making some people sick. So anyway, so tell me what you think in the comments. subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, do something. One of the lenses I got, supposed to be the fisheye. I think you could fisheye it up a little bit more, but hey, it was only like $7. Got 3 lenses all on one thing, so can't really complain too much. It's damn well worth the money.